Gift given by my daughter. What she wrote, I will read. Wish you happy birthday, dear mother. Dear Kuna mom, I am your daughter. Happy birthday, my dear princess mom. You are princess of me and principal for my behavior and also studies. I think you have celebrated your birthday with your YouTuber friends last year. I think you have enjoyed very well. Today it's time to celebrate your birthday with your lovely husband, chubby son, and your queen like your daughter. It's me, your princess, and also a hard worker. Oh, mother, I love you. 143. We know that you are the girl having sweetheart. You are also rowdy. You are the warrior, and sometimes you are very cool and be friendly. But sometimes you are very angry. Then we can't able to see your face. My dear mother, you are rebel. If dad says yes, you used to say no. If dad says no, you used to say yes. Yes, you are oh and also oh because not all times you used to and listen. Sometimes our words patience and last, but not least, word auspicious and also a angel. You are my angel, my dear mother. Once again, happy birthday, mom. You are so cute like princess. I love you very much. Your teacher and your voice will be very loud and sweet voice sometimes. I think you are also a favorite teacher for your students. Your each letter stands your name R. S sweetheart, warrior W, A angry, R rebel, O obedient spelling wrong, O overstand, P patience, A auspicious. Art by my daughter. Thank you, Rishita. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, mommy. Art by Rishita. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, ma.